Today we are going to be rappelling a waterfall. Say hi.
What's up?
This is Josh, and this is us trying to figure out what to bring and what not to bring. We have a lot of stuff. Did you figure out what we're doing here? What's this?
Yeah. Oh yeah, we don't need any of these things.
You don't need any of that.
Yeah,
Just leave all that. If you get stuck on the rope, that's what a knife's for.
Only got one of those.
Don't need these. Not gonna need these. That'll cut some weight. Are you nervous?
No, I'm just...
We're making the little walk to the waterfall. Do you have the heavier bag or did I get it?
Almost 25 pounds.
We're here at the top. It's flowing over right there. Probably gonna anchor off one of these trees over here and send it off the big flat face that was on the left side when you're looking straight at it. I mean, this isn't the highest, most superest one ever, but it'll be a fun little adventure. Hey, don't fall, you're on camera. It's a good start. It's a really good start. This is our edge face. We got some potential anchor points. Josh is scoping out the edge. Hopefully he doesn't fall. Just tie it off like that tree and walk down that. Are you doing good? Okay, here's our safety brief. This one is tied to the tree. So we're gonna tie in here, walk our way out so that we have no chance of clipping into the wrong line. And the second one is just gonna be a munner hitch off a carabiner that goes down. We'll hook that second line into the guy so that the person staying up can man a semblance of safety, just so we're not total morons. Okay, we've been over here laughing, having a good time trying to decide who's gonna go first because neither of us want to trust our work here. But somebody's gonna have to man up, and I'm definitely the bravest of the two, so. Oh yeah, well, it definitely works. Wait, is this the right rope? Woo! Oh, that's cool as shit. Dude, it's pretty sweet. It's Josh's turn. Good. Oh, it's so bad, was it?
No. Kind of psych yourself out for a second.
Well, we've both gone down once.
You good?
Yep. Josh is going for his last run down, and then we're gonna pack it up and call it a day. Check it off the bucket list, folks. Rappelling waterfalls. I'm definitely the bravest of the two.